Hey guys, welcome back. So welcome to SDN series. So this is our first topic, that is network function virtualization, that is NFV. So it is the one of the most important topic of the third unit. So what is NFV? So network function virtualization. So it is a network architecture concept. Okay, so it is a network architecture concept that uses software to perform network function that traditionally ran on hardware devices. So basically it is a software to perform network function that run on hardware devices like firewall and router. So in easy meaning, so doing network task using software instead of hardware. So this is the simplest meaning of this NFV, that is network function virtualization. So what is network function virtualization? So it is a software device or software which doing network task on software instead of hardware. Okay, doing hardware task. Okay, which is previously run on hardware, but using NVF we can run the task on our software. So software basically is a simple thing. Hardware is a little bit complex sometimes, so that's why we prefer to any task run on software instead of hardware. Okay, and now hardware, the hardware things are a little bit tricky and many more knowledge required, and software are simple to use, beginner friendly and all. So that's why this is all about NFV. Okay, understood. So now let's look at their uses. So uses, or we can say applications. Okay, so replace physical network devices like router and firewall. So this is basically replace our physical network devices using softwares. Okay, replace physical network devices. Fine. So this is the cloud-based telecom service like VoIP and IMS. Okay, so it is a cloud-based. And third point is dynamic network scaling during traffic surge. So if the network have much traffic, it dynamically scaling our network. And fourth point, it is faster development of the service in 5G network. So it's of faster than hardware in our 5G networks and all. Next point, network scaling for IoT devices, video and other devices. Use cases. Okay, and there are some use cases over there. Pay as you go. You only have to pay for your requirements. If you choose one plan, you have to pay for that only. You don't have to pay any GSTs and all, and extra cost means. Okay, and there are fewer applications and scalability. There is a high scalability in NFV. So understood. So let's recap this. So NFV, it is a network function virtualization, means doing network tasks using software instead of using special hardware machines. Yeah, understood. And let's recap the uses also. So runs network tasks like firewall, router in software. Okay, so it runs hardware tasks on software. Help telecom companies like service faster. Okay, uses useful in 5G clouds and internet services. Save money by using normal computers. Make it easy to scale up or scale down the network. So this is useful. So fine, please like, share and subscribe.